The circle of fifths is a lie. Yeah, I said it. It's not a circle, it's a prison. Some medieval monk drew 12 notes in a circle and said, "Behold, music!" And we've been pretending that's deep ever since. Sure, it looks elegant. Keys arranged neatly by fifths, major on the outside, minor on the inside, like some kind of harmonic zodiac. But in reality, it tells you nothing about how music feels. It's geometry masquerading as emotion. Let's be honest. No one writing music thinks, ah, yes, I'll move clockwise from D major to A major to E major. No, you're thinking, this chord slaps, but what if it hurt a little more? That's not in the circle. That's in your ear. The problem with the circle of fifths is it's static. It explains key signatures, not music. It's a map, not the terrain. And if you're still relying on it, you're navigating harmony like it's 1750. So here's what actually works. Think functionally, not circularly. Instead of, where's G major on the circle, ask, what does G major do? In tonal music, chords are characters. The tonic is home. The dominant is chaos. The subdominant is hope. The moment you start hearing chords as roles instead of coordinates, everything clicks. You don't need a circle. You need a gravity field. Tonal gravity is real. Every note wants to move somewhere. Sevenths fall, leading tones rise, and diminished chords just scream for resolution. That's harmony. That's motion. Try this. Build your songs around tension and release, not arbitrary fifths. Instead of memorizing clockwise motion, train your ear to recognize pull. Feel how 5 wants to collapse into 1, how 4 aches to return home. That's the real circle, not one drawn on paper, but one that lives inside your brain. So yeah, the circle of fifths isn't wrong, it's just outdated. Keep it in your theory notebook if it makes you feel safe. But if you want to actually understand music, throw away the compass. Because harmony isn't a circle, it's a force. And once you feel it, you'll never go back.